Hi Stampers, it's Nancy. Well, it's day 5 of my video series, and this week I have been showing you cards that I made using Courage and Faith. So I hope you're enjoying them. And today I have a really cute card, and it is a little note card, and it's using that beautiful designer series paper. So the main products that I'm using this week have been the Courage and Faith stamp set along with the Masterfully Created designer series paper. Very, very pretty paper, and all my cards this week I use that paper. I will have links to those in the description down below if you're interested in making those purchases, but I will have everything on my blog later on after the video, and I will have the measurements, more pictures, the colors, the sizes, everything I use so you can create the card for yourself. And if you don't have a Stampin' Up demonstrator, I would love to help you out with your stamping needs. Just let me know. I am always here to help. Any purchases in August that are over $50, I am sending out the 2224 in color pearls, little embellishments that you can put on your cards. They're just beautiful. And thank you in advance. So here are the note cards in case you guys don't know. This is a great deal with Stampin' Up. Comes with very sturdy note cards already scored and envelopes. And there's 20 of them in here, 20 envelopes and 20 cards. It's really, really a good value. So let's bring in today's stuff. So we have a card base. That's the note card base. I have a stamping piece for inside. I have a piece of that beautiful designer series paper. And I have a white piece, that's our stamping piece, and I cut that out with the Countryside Corners blends, no, Countryside Corner dies. And again, that information will be on my blog. So if I make a boo-boo, don't worry about it. I will have the correct information there for you. So let's go ahead and stamp on here. And I am going to stamp in Pretty Peacock. And I am going to stamp in Everything Give Thanks. So let me find that. So I want to mention that all of my cards this week, the sentiments in this set are interchangeable. So if you don't want in Everything Give Thanks on today's card, you can use any of these other sentiments. This one here doesn't fit except on the inside. So it's more of a horizontally wider stamp. But these three, they fit on any of the cards that I did this week. Oh, I'm going to turn that over and do it again. That's better. Okay, so for the front of this card, what I did was I took a piece of designer series paper and I started off with 5 by 3 3/4. And then I tore it. I know some of you are probably cringing right now, but I tore it a little bit below and a little bit above the main area here. And when you tear the paper, you want to tear towards you. It gives it that little frayed image or frayed cut, and it shows a little bit of the white. And all you're doing is just doing really little cuts towards you. And I'm going to do the same thing up at the top. And if you do it too big, it doesn't leave that little white tear mark as well. So just do little tiny tears. It's kind of jig-jag. I'm going to tear this a little bit more. I don't like the way that turned out right there. So just doing little tiny tears, just like that. So that's going to go on the front of our card, and I am going to save these pieces for the inside. So I also took a strip of Pretty Peacock paper, so about a 3/4 inch strip, and I did the same thing, and I just tore it down, and now I'm going to cut that to the size of this card, which is 3.5 inches. So now what I'm going to do is I am going to glue the Pretty Peacock on the top and the bottom of the designer series paper. And that's how it looks. Now I'm going to glue this onto the front of the card. I have a piece of ribbon, and this is older discontinued ribbon. I just happened to find it. And I'm going to go ahead and fold it in half and use glue dots and put it on the front of my card. Now I'm going to put dimensionals on the back of this. I'm going to center it, and then I'm going to trim up my ribbon. Now I'm just going to trim this ribbon a little bit. So that is the front of the card, and then I'm going to use the other parts of that designer series paper for the inside. So I cut this piece to fit exactly, and it's 3.5 by 5. And I thought it would be pretty to go ahead and put the designer series paper on the inside. So let me glue that. So that's today's card. I hope you like it. It's a little note card. We used the little tearing technique, which really sets off the card beautifully. And then inside we used the extra paper. So now you can write your little note. And there you go, your note card. So let me show you all of this week's cards. And by the way, don't forget to comment, because everyone who leaves a comment is entered to win today's card. So I will announce the winners on Monday. Every Monday's video, I announce the winner. So that's today's card. And there's Monday's card, a little half fold. And again, this is all using that beautiful Masterfully Created Designer Series paper. And this one's a little bookmark holder. And then we have that one, pretty, opens this way. And this card, which uses the designer series paper as the main focus. And then we stamp some of the images, other images inside. So I hope that you like these cards, and if you are interested in purchasing this stamp set, you can find the link in the description down below, or all the information is on my blog at Stampin'shout.blogspot. There I have more pictures and the measurements and the sizes and the colors and all the links that you need. And if you have any questions, let me know at stampinshout@gmail.com. Please click like and share my video with your friends. I appreciate it. I will see you again at noon, Nancy at noon, Eastern Standard Time. Don't be shy. Stamp and shout.